How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Agate. I'm showcasing the Agate. This home I have featured a few weeks back without a porch, without a loft. But I saw your comments, you know I pay attention, and you said, Mr. Tiny, just add that little extra this time and still keep it at a reasonable price. So right here today, we have the 8-foot front porch and the loft in the Agate. So the dimensions on this home as it sits is 15 foot wide, 34 feet in length, including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $79K. $79,000, you get everything you see besides furniture and decorations. So starting here on the exterior, you see we have the coffee house base color exterior. We have the garlic clove accents around your fascia and windows, as well as a galvalume metal roof. Rebar rails on each side, and we have the porch post painted in coffee house as well. Crow's foot beam, they're centered, adding some accent, but then as you come up onto the porch, this is 8 feet right here, so you have a brown TREX decking that's going to give you the warranty of 30 years. Also, you have enough space when you're here on the porch that you can have a chair, kick out your legs, and enjoy yourself. So the porch is enough space to actually be livable. And then right here we have the front window. We also have 2 can lights right here, as well as it's already wired and braced for a ceiling fan. So you can bring your own ceiling fan, add that touch of character if you would like. I've even had some clients add an outdoor chandelier, believe it or not. And then right here we have your front coach lamp, but enough about the outside. You know how we do. Let's take it inside so I can showcase how great 399 square feet of living can be. And the reason, I know a lot of you may be here for the first time, and you're like, why is this guy sitting out here on the porch by one of the busiest highways in Texas, sitting here telling me all about this house? I can barely hear him. Well, this is the reason why. Because as soon as you come inside, this is where I showcase the quality that we provide here at Recreational Resort Cottages. You see how those semi-truck sounds, bulldozer sounds go away? That's because it's quality construction that we offer here. So as soon as you walk in, you get that peace and serenity that you're looking for in a quality built 399 square foot tiny home. And with this home being 15 feet wide, as soon as you enter, you can see that you have enough space to accommodate full-size furniture like you see here. We have the dual windows right here in the living room, bringing in that natural light. Like I said, we have the full-size sofa here. We normally add an entertainment center here on the front wall. We chose to omit that. The reason we did, so you can fit even more furniture in here to your liking, and you can just mount your TV there on the main wall. Now this wall right here, that's the loft wall. This is where a lot of clients may put another recliner, another chair there. You can also put a couch here on this wall and then have more space along the window wall as well. The options are endless, but this showcases how much opportunity that you have in your living space in a tiny home. Now right here centralized, you'll see we have a cherry ceiling fan, just adding some accent there for you. But what I love about this 15 wide floor plan is the open flow of the actual floor plan right from the living room into the kitchen space. We chose to omit the island in here. We do not have an island at all, so that gives you more space and opportunity to work with. You can also bring your own island if you like. You can also put a drop leaf in here. The options are yours. What we've done for you is went ahead and added a 3-door pantry right here for you. So there's going to be space for your canned goods, everything that you need. And then we finished those cabinets in Ozark shadows. So we have the Ozark shadows with the nickel bar pools on those as well. We have the Autumn Carnival countertop, as well as the Badlands Blend mosaic backsplash. We've trimmed everything out in white going throughout the home. We have the 2 basin stainless steel sink. Again, additional storage and cabinetry down below. as well as the drawers. And then we have your appliances. This is where you have the options. You can choose to go electric, you can choose to go gas. The options are yours. We chose to go with the smooth top stove in this one. We have the microwave up above, and then we have the fridge right here as well. You can choose to go standard style with the setup, with the freezer up top, fridge down below. You can do side by side. The options are yours as well. Now, if you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know a lot of times this is where we include the stackable washing machine and dryer. However, in this Agate model, hey, we took it to the next level. We're going to make that change for you right here by adding open shelving. And I hear you already in the back saying, Mr. Tiny, but I need to wash my clothes. I got to stay so fresh and so clean. Well, you're talking to Mr. Tiny, and you know I'm the master of so fresh and so clean, so you know I got you covered. So don't worry about that. We'll get to that in a second. But right here, you have your space for your decor. You can put, again, food items here. The options are yours as well. And then right here behind the pocket door, you can see that we have your restroom. And again, we kept the Ozark Shadows cabinets going around, as well as the Autumn Carnival countertop, which is going to extend over the toilet area, so that way you have and can utilize even more space. Hey, you can go ahead and put, clean your ears out, whatever you need to do, because you need to hear what I'm saying to you today. And then right here, you have the window up above, again, bringing in some natural light. And then right here behind me, you have the step-in fiberglass shower. What's so great about this is even with the loft up above, we have the elevated space right here. I'm 6'1", so you can again see how much space that you actually have to accommodate. A lot of people don't believe it with how much space that we offer in these 399 square foot tiny homes, so I have to explain it and show them a lot in these videos to see how much space you have to work with. Now keep in mind, we normally would have a pocket door here to take you into the bedroom from the bathroom, but hey, we thought ahead for you. We give you the option. We can wall this off so that way you have space to hang your towels out of the way, gives you more space to work with, but I'll show you why that comes so much in handy right here in the bedroom. As you see when you come into the main bedroom, right here, by taking that wall out, you can see, or taking that door out, I should say, and walling it off, you got enough space right here for a TV of any size that you would like to accommodate for the most part. And then right across, you can see that we have the space right here that you can put the bed here or here. The options are yours, and you have plenty enough space for a queen. If you go up to a king, you're more than welcome, but then you make it a bedroom. So that's all it's gonna be in here, but you can make it happen. And then right here, you have your window bringing in some natural light. You have your electrical panel box right here covered by another Ozark Shadows cabinet, 100 amp electric service, hardwired. You can convert and go to a 50 amp with a pigtail, should you want to do that as well. We also have the mini split AC and heat systems right here, all controlled by remote. You're going to have one in your bedroom, also one in the main living area. Now take it back here, and this is the flavor that we added to the Agate this go around. Closed off by a pocket door, you have the walk-in closet. So right here, we have the 24 cubic foot stackable wash machine and dryers in here for you, ready to go, front load, but they're tucked into the walk-in closet, so that way if you're doing your laundry, you can close this off and take down that sound, as well as having them where they're not in the main area where everybody can see them when they walk into your home. And as you walk into this closet, look how much space you have for your wardrobe. I'm telling you, if you got something and you're scared about going tiny, scared about downsizing because you think you're gonna have to give all your clothes away to the Goodwill, have a yard sale, whatever you want to do. No, Mr. Tiny got you covered. You can hold on to that fur coat a little longer. You got space to accommodate it now. So we have the shelf and rods going around here. Again, ample space down below for your shoes. Then as you make it on out, you can see, like I said, you close this off, boom, never happened. But again, you have enough space right here to make this 399 square feet livable. And then also, you're getting the added extra. We've added the loft in this model. So with it being a 15 wide, a lot of tiny homes you may see, you gotta crawl up a ladder. You gotta climb the fire pole to get up to the loft. Not at Recreational Resort Cottages. You got open riser stairs here with the handrail, so that way it makes it easy to access and get up. So follow me on up to the loft and I can showcase how much space you actually have. Now we're in the loft space of the Agate, and as you can see, with this home being a 15-foot wide, you have so much space to accommodate sleeping as well as storage in here. We usually go with the same flooring that we have throughout the home. We usually add the linoleum flooring up here in the loft as well. However, in this one, we added the carpet, so that way you can see the differences that you have in these 399 square foot tiny homes. So if you want to get on your hands and knees, crawl around when you need to, hey, sometimes the carpet feels a little bit better. Everyone has their preferences, so we give you the option to choose. And then right here on each side of the loft, we have the clear story windows. So we're bringing in the natural light also. We have the TV jack here on the rear of the home, so that way you can place your TV in here, have a lounge space. So that way it doubles. You have dual areas for living. You have sleeping spaces, storage spaces, whatever you like. And then right here in the loft rails, we have it in rebar, and you see how that opens up to the downstairs living area. Look how much space you're getting in the Agate. I'm telling you, this is when you're looking to go tiny. You better not call nobody else but Recreational Resort Cottages, because you know how we do it. We're showing you every week the endless options that we have, the many varieties of floor plans that we have here as well. And the Agate is one of many. So right here, again, I'll tell you that this home is 15 foot wide, 34 feet in length, including that 8-foot front porch, and on sale today for $79K, exactly as you see it. So this is a build that you can't beat. Let's say that. And then also, if you enjoyed this video, please right now hit that like button, hit the thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed it. And also, you can get more videos like this every week. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you're notified every time a new video is posted. Also, I showcase everything from 399 square feet like this up to 2,500 square feet large cottages. Same quality, just on a bigger scale. So also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the Agate was. You can leave that. Tell me if you enjoyed me listening to you from the first video that didn't have the porch, didn't have the loft. Now I've added it. So let me know if you like those additions or you like the first version that did not have them. The choice is yours, but I love to hear the feedback. Also, if you want to connect with me directly, you know what to do. Run on over to Instagram right now. At the Mr. Tiny is where you'll find me. At THEMRTINY. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Agate as well as hundreds of other floor plans directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. So guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.